This is a monster. I don't want to say anything. I just want to get it out of the box. Then we can talk more about it. This is probably the biggest box I've ever seen so far. Holy smokes. This is a bit crazy. Let me bring you a closer look. Look at the amount of padding on this. Okay, let's continue. Spray grip tape. Wow. Just take a look at that for 1 second. Now if I can take this out of the box in one go, I'm much stronger than I thought. A few goodies there, we'll have a look at them in a second. First time I've ever seen this, you get 2 chargers on this. Remember guys, you have 2 washers, you pop them on both sides, and then you put the 2 bolts on both sides also. Nice. Now we can talk about it, but before I tell you about the features on this, let's do something that I've not seen on a lot of electric scooters. How cool is this? Just take a look at this. Holy hell. Let's have a look at the front. That is awesome. Oh, it's like Christmas even though it's only like October right now. The display is pretty cool too. Voltage meter, full hydraulic brakes, USB to charge your phone. You have turbo, eco, you obviously have dual, single, really nice grips. You have foldable handlebars on this. How cool is that? Have a look at this deck. It's absolutely gigantic. It even has indicators. So this is the Qpower2 by Qiewa. It has 6,000 watts of power, speeds of up to 100 kilometers an hour, a range of 150 kilometers, which is a claimed range. You have a big gigantic stem, of course, LEDs all around. These hydraulic brakes, look at the size of them. Really, like the LEDs are brilliant. Look at that back footrest. That is solid. The back mudguard, huge. They are 11-inch knobby off-road tires. Look at the light on this. It's an LED light, something I've never seen before on an electric scooter. Some people don't like them. I think it's brilliant. It looks like it belongs on a 4x4. LEDs going up the whole stem here. Look at the wrapping on this cable here. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, use my channel name in the link in the description to get 50 euros off this. You can't go wrong, and it'll help support the channel if you end up getting one of these. Or you can just wait until the full review that I will be doing on this. Yes, before you even think about it, I am going to be speed testing this, but I'm going to need to find a road that is safe enough. Off on your indicators here. You have a really loud horn. You also have a compass on that as well. I'm going to leave it there guys. I don't want to say too much about this. All you need to know is that the specs on this are all linked below, and I'm going to be doing, well, I'm going to be putting this through its paces, and let's see really how powerful this beast is. Talk to you soon guys. Take it easy.